I'm Ajarn Allen with another grammar video that one of my students has asked me to do. Today we're going to talk about prefixes. Well, what are prefixes? These are the ones that we use before a noun or an adjective, adverb, or even a verb. That's what pre refers to. Generally they mean not. But how do we know when to use this or un, in, il, ir, or none? Basically, there are no rules. You just have to feel the language. How do you feel the language? By reading a lot of books, watching a lot of movies, listening to a lot of English news, and you will feel the language. Then you will know which one to use and which one not to use. However, what I can tell you is there is a little tiny rule, especially when it comes to im. If the word starts with BMP, like imbalance, impossible, or immaterial, we use im. But do not be confused. We can also use an im as something that you put toward to, like immigrate, migrate, to move to another country. Im as in, like migrating to another country. So we can also use an im to, show the direction or toward that direction. Also, inflame. Here it's not negative. Flame, fire. Inflame is to intensify a fire. So with an im and in, we have to be careful how we use it. And also with the il and r, if it starts with the word starts with L, we start with the IL, like illogical, logical, illogical, or relevant starts with R, so we use IR to reverse it, irrelevant, okay? Now we also use none, like such as non-payment, non-refundable. Now if you notice here, for non-payment, I didn't use hyphen, but for non-refundable, I did use hyphen. Again, you have to look at the dictionary and you will feel it how and why sometimes we use hyphen, sometimes we don't, especially when it comes to American English versus British English. In the next section, I'm going to show you that with some words we actually use more than one prefix and it can totally change the meaning of a word. So stay with me. Okay, welcome back. As I said in the previous section, sometimes we can use more than one prefix with a word. Example, like, we can use it as a verb and as a noun, or as a proposition in this case. Dislike means something you don't like. For example, I dislike you, or I dislike hamburgers. That means I don't like. But unlike means not the same. For example, unlike you, I love spaghetti. Okay, here's totally different meaning. Here it means I don't like. It means not the same. Okay, let's look at another one. Discover and uncover. Discover means when you find something by accident. Like one day you're walking on the beach and you discover $100 banknote. You discover that. It was an accident. Uncover, on the other hand, means something that it is hidden and you try to learn about it. For example, a corrupted politician, he's done something wrong, he's done a crime, and you want to uncover that and make it known to everybody. So again, totally different meanings here. Let's look at another one, secure, unsecure, and insecure. When we talk about insecure, we're talking about lack of self-confidence. For example, I feel insecure. That means I don't have a self-confidence. Or if I say, this condo is unsecure, means it's not safe. Again, two different meanings just because we use two different prefixes. Uninterested and disinterested. Now, many of my students think that these two are the same. Actually, they're not. Uninterested means you're not interested, okay? You don't care about it. Disinterested, however, means impartial. That means you don't take nobody's side. You're neutral on this. For more information about my tutoring services, please visit my website, ajarnallen.com. See you soon.